What's up, everybody? My name is Jen, and welcome to my saga. So, guess what? Guess what? Guess what video we're doing today? Come on, guess. I said guess. Do it now. But today we are going to be jumping into some more bead art. And for today's bead art, I kind of am doing this. It's just a friend thing. It's something I wanted to do and something I just wanted to gift to somebody that's very, very sweet. Today we're going to be doing Totoro. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. Totoro. And for those that don't know who Totoro is, if you've ever seen a Studio Ghibli movie like Princess Mononoke or Spirited Away, or where he's from, he is from My Neighbor Totoro. Now, My Neighbor Totoro, it came out back in the 90s. I believe it was 1990 because I remember it from early childhood. Like, that was one of the movies that I did watch, but I do need to go back and rewatch it. And if you do want to know, my favorite is Princess Mononoke. I just love the story in that movie so much. But we are about to go ahead and hop on some of that bead art for him. I'm doing it a little different this time because I have a different pegboard. They're like multiple small little pegboards, so they kind of look like, let me detach this one real quick. They're like this, so it's like, they came in a pack of 4, so they are kind of like 4, it's 8 of them, so it's going to be on a little bit of a bigger pegboard, so I can't show exactly me taping the image to the back, only because it's going to fall apart when I pick it up. But let's go ahead and get started with this video. Let's get on into the goody. I swear that's not creepy. Alright guys, so a lot of trials and tribulations on him. He's probably the biggest one I've ever made. I had a real tough time with him as far as trying to get him to melt right, because everything was just coming up off of the pegboard, and now I know next time for those pegs specifically to have them on a more flatter surface like the floor. So, but I did get him melted, so this is Totoro. Isn't he cute? Love him. But I am gonna go ahead and get him prepped. I'm gonna get him prepped and go ahead and get him set out. Like I said, this was just a spur of the moment thing that I wanted to do for a friend who she's very, very sweet. Shout out to Delmo. And I think she'll really love it. She is a Totoro fan, so that will do it. But I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share as always. And once again, it has been fun, guys, but it is time for me to seek sustenance. Yeah, I'm hungry. But yeah, it's time for me to go ahead and end this little video. And I do want to say again, my name is Jen, and I'll see you peeps and pimples on the other side of the screen. Bye guys. Bye. About to go have dinner, breakfast food. Bye.